Morning everybody from sunny Kendry. It's about 30 degrees here. It's like Mediterranean, end of August. Little video today. It's probably one of the smallest jobs I've ever took on. I don't normally take them on this small, but I'll show you what issues are. So in this property, the woman, she's had a local reputable contractor to do some work a couple of years ago, and they put membrane on that wall and on here, and they drilled and injected it all the way around on that side, even though it's already got a damp proof course built in. It's got a it had a damp proof course drilled and injected, but nevertheless. So what her concerns was, she's found this patch. So it's a tiny patch here. So we've got like a wet patch on this corner, and this is what she rung me up that she were concerned about initially. So I came out and had a look at it, and then I had a look out front. Well, I realised that this bit here was wet as well, so I tested this bit here. And one of the issues is this. So they've only got one air brick on front there. So we're going to put another air brick there, and they've got one outside for cross flow there. So we're going to just put some added ventilation in. So condensation is forming on subfloor. It's a timber floor there. So condensation forming above the original damp proof course, and causing these issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whip this skirting off, and we're going to just cut this patch out and then put just a system in place that's compatible with this little wall. So I'm going to have a look at it once it's off. I fetched a load of different replastering systems, and I'm going to look at it and just decide which is going to be best. So that's the idea. I wouldn't normally take a job on this small, but she kind of slipped through net. So we vet people through email. Poor lady had not got an email. I just ended up ringing her. She asked me to come out. And when I come out, she said that she'd already had some damp proofing done by a local contractor. And I wouldn't normally touch it with a barge pole because it's like sort of let them sort it out. But when I got talking to her, she said that the contractor wanted to charge her to come out and look, which is standard practice because you'd be going out to every job, so you send letters out. And to be fair, it's not their fault because they didn't do any work on this wall. They only did work on front wall. And this has happened like a few years after, but I mean, she's not got original paperwork, so we can't see what they said initially. I mean, one of the things that I'd have noticed, even though I did come to the work, was that it did need more subfloor ventilation because there's only one, and they've got to be a minimum of every 1.8 meters along. There's only one in the middle of that wall, so first thing that we'd have said if we were doing damp work would have been added ventilation. But nevertheless, they've done this, and it's dry, so other bits are dry. So we're going to get this bit sorted out. But I just thought I'd make this small video, or this short video, just to show this small area of damp and how we're going to attack it. So we're going to get this done this morning, and then that's the job for today. The rest is just going to be pottering about. So enjoy your Friday. Feliz Viernes, that's Spanish for Happy Friday.